Hello, this is Jim from TechBuzz. A quick unboxing today of the August International SWV200 Smart Health Wristband, which comes with a step tracker and distance calorie calculation, heart rate and blood pressure monitor, sleep monitor to track sleep quality, vibrating wake up, call reminder, SMS call and calendar event notifications. So there's a lot going on for this little package, and that's all it has on the front, and the same replicated on the back in different languages. So the packaging is pretty nice, solid box and presentable, and when you open it up it just so like this, and you're presented with the user manual, which is quite thick in this case. Inside we get the unit itself, and we also get in here it's just our proprietary cable for charging and data transfer to your PC. So just pop them aside, and this is the unit itself. It's nice and slim, nice and light. It's in black, it's the only colour it comes in. Be nice to see it in other colours. We've got the August branding here on the back of the strap here, which is just held in with two clips, nice and simple. And on the back here we can see there is sensors. So that's how it works there. And this, as I said, it's also IP67 waterproof rating, and you've got a remote photo taker on this as well, which is pretty cool. So you just rotate or shake to take a photograph. So you'll obviously have an app to connect to this on Android and iOS, and that's pretty much how that feature will work. So as you can see, also there is no buttons on this, and we'll just pull off the screen protection there, which is just a simple layer of plastic, and that's it there. It'll just pop out, and that's it, and it's pretty simple enough to use. So how do we charge this, you might ask? This has took a design of similar devices we have seen in the past, whereas you will pull off the strap and you will have access to this port here, and it seems to be pretty sealed very well, and it's tight enough too. So as I said, you have your proprietary charger for this to connect to your PC or whatever the case may be, and there's an app to coincide with it too, so you're going to have to pair that up with your smartphone, and then you can get all the information from the display. It's pretty similar to similar wristbands like this out there today, with simple information on the front, not too clustered, so that's pretty good to see. And then you can get all your information then via the app or desktop, should you require it. So that's the quick unboxing and first look of the August SWV200 Smart Wristband, and stay tuned for reviewing coming soon at techbuzzonline.com. And we've also a couple of other products from this company too, which are really cool, and we'll see them at a later date. We'll talk to you then.